What if I told you that you can draw even better than me? Today, we're going to learn how to draw pizza with mushroom. In my video, there are easy, medium, and high levels. Start with the level that matches your skills. Just pause the video and repeat the movements with your marker. If it doesn't work out, start again. At some point, you'll get it. Repetition will lead you to success. Okay, mushroom is ready, and now we're drawing the pizza slice. Now let's add a tiny arms for the mushroom. He wants to hold hands. This is so cute. Little baby legs. And now the other arm. Time for the face. Draw 2 tiny eyes and a happy smile. Now let's add pepperoni circles. Big ones, small ones, wherever you want. Okay, now we're drawing a new mushroom for medium level. Now let's add the legs. Draw a big round shape on top. Now let's draw the inside of the cap. Now the eyes make them big and silly. Tiny smile. Now let's add the arms. The cutest mushroom is ready. Now let's draw a big pizza slice. Make a long U shape like this. Now let's add the giant crust. Now let's add tiny legs. And now the arm. Pizza is waving hello. Time for giant eyes. Make them big and shiny. Oh no, now the pizza looks too cute. Now let's add the pupils. Look at those eyes, and now the final details. Tiny smile and pepperoni on top. Big ones, small ones, wherever you want. There are no rules in pizza art. Add basil leaves. Now we're moving to pro level. Start with a small round shape. Now let's draw the giant mushroom cap. Soft, round, super cute. Draw the inside of the mushroom. And now the giant eyes. Now let's add eyelashes. Now let's add even more sparkle to the eyes. Tiny circles inside. Now let's color the eyes black. And now a tiny mouth. Now let's add the arms and legs. Okay, ready for the giant pro pizza? Start with a giant U shape. Now let's draw the giant crust. Now let's add the giant eyes. Round and super kawaii. Leave tiny white hearts for the shine. These eyes are too kawaii. Now let's add long eyelashes. And now a tiny smile. An open mouth makes her even cuter. Now let's add the arms. Pizza is waving hello. Now let's add the legs. Add pepperoni. And let's add one more tiny mushroom and some olives. Add basil leaves. The more details, the tastier it looks. Now let's start coloring. First, color the pepperoni red. And now the cheese. Color the pizza bright yellow. This pizza looks like it came from a cartoon. Now the crust. Let's make it a warm orange color. Whoa, now it looks freshly baked. And now color the mushroom. And rosy cheeks. And now let's color the medium level. Color the mushroom. Adding red pepperoni. Yellow cheese. and a warm orange crust. Now let's add green basil leaves. And now a little more color on the mushroom. Adding shadows. Now rosy cheeks. Tiny pink circles right here. Now let's color the pro mushroom cap. Adding a warm beige color. Add little red tongues. Let's color this part with a darker beige. Now shadows with a pencil. And even brighter with the colored pencil. Now let's add blue to the eyes with an acrylic marker. Now the eyes look even brighter and more magical. And final shine with a white pen. Now let's color the pro level, adding bright yellow cheese. Save my channel and join the challenge. Now the pizza looks super tasty. And now, let's darken the crust. Adding shadows with a pencil. The main secret to creating depth. And red pepperoni. Let's color the basil leaves green and color the olives purple. Now the pizza looks even more delicious. Now let's add shine with a white gel pen. Now let's add shine to the tomatoes. Tiny white highlights will make them look super juicy. Let's add pink cheeks. Now the characters look even cuter and happier. Let's add thin red lines on the cheeks. This will make the blush look even more kawaii. Let's add even more shadows with a colored pencil. Now the drawing looks even more 3D and alive. Look how cute they turned out. Every level looks cool in its own way. And now it's your turn. Pause the video and try drawing with me. And remember, nothing has to be perfect.